Let's also take a look at the verb to need in Romanian, but I do have to warn you about the fact that this verb is not used as loosely in Romanian as it is in English. So you are not going to say, I need to call you, I need to buy a new pair of shoes, because those are not actual needs. Those are more like wishes, desires, or superficial needs. In Romanian, we use the verb to need with things that are more important, like emergencies, things that keep you alive, and so on and so forth. So for example, you would say, I need an ambulance, I need medication, I need oxygen, I need food, I need water to survive, and so on and so forth. So for the verb to need in Romanian, we actually have a combination of the verb a avea, which you already know as to have, plus the word nevoie, this means need, plus de, which is of, and then you combine it with whatever words you want. So we are going to say eu am nevoie, I need. Tu ai nevoie, you need. El are nevoie, he needs. Ea are nevoie, she needs. Noi avem nevoie, we need. You plural, voi aveți nevoie. You formal, dumneavoastră aveți nevoie. And then the last two, ei au nevoie, and ele for females exclusively, ele au nevoie. If we look closely at it, we have a avea, the verb to have that we've used before. We have the word nevoie, which means need, and then depending on how you use things in your sentence, you would add a de plus the object. And let me give you 3 examples. Eu am nevoie de mâncare. I need food. Eu am nevoie de mâncare. Let's say noi avem nevoie de un doctor. We need a doctor. And eventually, let's also say ele au nevoie de apă. They need water. This is how to use the verb in a sentence. If you want to learn how to use other verbs in Romanian in the present, make sure you take a look at my verb videos on Instagram and on YouTube to learn something on your own and progress really quickly. If you want to book a free trial lesson on my website and get one-on-one lessons or join a small group lesson, feel free to book that via the link in bio or the link in the description box that takes you to my website. I look forward to meeting you, to working with you, and of course to helping you online. Have a lovely day. La revedere!